Welcome to the family, child. Hey, y'all. Welcome to my channel, and I want to thank you for coming. Only thing I ask you to do every time that you come here is ring the doorbell. That means hit the thumbs up or the like button, whichever way that you like to call it. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave here, and make sure that you leave a comment and let me know what you thought about the video. That's all you got to do every time you come over here. Make yourself more than welcome. Feel like family, because that's what you are. And I hope that you are enjoying yourself. You have a good one.